Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your data is numeric and in one column. This matters because Sheets reads only numbers for histogram bins. Once done, remove blanks and non-numeric cells. The filter or query functions are fast. Make sure the first row is a clear header so charts can detect the series. You don't need perfect binning now. A simple sorted column helps you visualize whether extreme outliers will distort bin sizes. Now select that header plus the numeric range to start charting. After selecting the range, choose Insert Chart and immediately switch the chart type to histogram in the editor. Sheets will show a default bin layout. Now you control the how and why. Open Customize Histogram and set bucket size to a specific number for consistent intervals, or leave it on automatic for data-driven bins. Once you apply a bucket size, watch the preview update. Make sure to adjust axis ranges and labels so each bin communicates the intended distribution clearly to your audience. Finalize by refining axis labels, chart title, and color to make patterns readable. Good labels explain what the bins measure and their units. Then set the axis min/max and tweak bucket size increments so bins reflect meaningful intervals. Once satisfied, download as PNG or SVG or embed the chart back into a report. If the histogram looks wrong, check that values are numeric, remove hidden or blank cells, and reduce extreme outliers. Adjusting bucket size often fixes distorted distributions quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.